So in this part, the last procedure, which is the difficult one, you have to design time constants. So in conclusion, the manual switch will simulate the motion sensor. So let us see the complete circuit at first. So this is the switch. This switch will simulate the motion sensor. And then the car alarm will be played by a comparator circuit. Or in particular, the car alarm will be displayed by the LED. So which means that if the sensor to switch to a specific position, after a few seconds, the LED will turn on. And then if the switch turns to another position, then this LED will turn off after a few seconds. So this is the rough idea of this circuit. And then you have to build this circuit. So let us move on to the first part. So you have to construct the circuit of P31 and then adjust this 100 kilo ohm part to vary the V minus, because this is the V minus, and then adjust this 10 kilo ohm part to vary V in. So both of them are potentiometer. Also, this is called the comparator. The comparator is implemented in this way. Why this is called comparator? Because there is no feedback, and therefore this is not used as an amplifier. So now you have to fill out the first table. The first table asks you if V minus is 3 volts and V in is 2.9 volt. What is the LED state? So we can do 1, and then you know how to do it. So if V minus is 3 volts and V in is 2.9 volts, what happened? So if V inverse is 3 volts and this is 2.9 volts, so this means that the V minus is greater than V in, because this is equal to 3, this is equal to 2.9 volts. This is V in, and this is V minus. So what happened? So the output will go to the V out will go to, ideally, go to 0 volt. So if this is 0 volt, so the 0 volt means this is minus VCC. So if this is 0 volt, and we know that the turn on voltage for the LED is roughly, I don't know, for example, 3 volts. So in this case, it cannot be turned on. So this is off, and this is also off. So this is the rough idea. You fill out this table. So of course, so you have to measure from the previous procedure, previous lab, to know what is the turn on voltage for this LED. So okay, so this is the first procedure. And then it also says that turn V in all the way down to 0 volt. So in this case, it means that we have to put these two here. So which means that in this case, V in is equal to 0 volt. So you have to adjust this potentiometer such that this error go to this position, which means that the V in now is connected to the ground. So, and then lower the V minus until LED turned on, and then measure the and record this voltage V minus. And this is called the lower limit of comparator sensitivity. On the other hand, turn V in all the way up to the battery voltage, and then raise the V minus such that LED goes out. And then measure the V minus. So this is called the high limit of comparator sensitivity.